Chinese cabbage is a common subject in still life sketching practice. It features a complex yet structured form, strong light-dark contrast, and rich folds and textures, making it an ideal object for training in both fine detail rendering and overall composition control, layered structure, and form understanding. The leaves of Chinese cabbage are layered, tightly packed inside, gradually loosening outward. The veins are distinct, acting as the structural backbone and guiding the distribution of light and shadow. The outer leaves often curl naturally, adding a sense of space and movement. When sketching the initial outlines, use light pencil lines to capture the general shape, and divide the structure using a few major leaf veins. At this stage, avoid jumping into details instead. Focus on overall structure, accurate proportions, and clear direction, light and shadow, building volume and depth. As you move into deeper rendering, focus on the transition areas between light and shadow, and the cast shadow, to express the volume of the cabbage. The light typically comes from one side. The inner leaves receive stronger light, showing bright highlights, while the outer leaves turn into shadow, forming middle tones and dark areas. The undulating leaf surfaces create subtle shadow variations. Don't paint large, flat areas. Instead, notice that there is brightness within the gray, and gray within the dark. The cast shadow should correspond to the cabbage's form, with soft edges and cool, slightly gray tones to enhance realism, texture, and detail, expressing leaf surfaces. The texture of Chinese cabbage comes from its soft, slightly moist leaves, tougher veins, and firm stem-based cabbage core. You can express these features as follows. Use light hatching or cross hatching to lay down the basic gray, tone maintain rhythm, and avoid heavy-handed shading. Outline the veins with a mix of solid and broken lines. Make primary veins more pronounced, secondary ones lighter, and apply slight pressure changes at the bends. For the curling edges of outer leaves, use broken strokes, dashed lines, or skipping lines to convey an airy, natural feel. The core of the cabbage, the white inner stem, has a solid texture. Use light-dark contrast and emphasized edges to show its density. Key to success. The essential elements in sketching Chinese cabbage: accurate form, transparent light and shadow, vivid texture, and clear layering. This is more than just drawing a vegetable. It's an integrated study of form, light, texture, and atmosphere. If you can draw Chinese cabbage well, you've developed the ability to find order within complexity. Crucial step toward mastering still life sketching.